guys, it's me Inventor, and today I will explain you what is Arduino. So an Arduino is a basically microcontroller which can solve different calculations, but it can't run games and other apps just like a regular computer does. Also, Arduino can control different motors, LEDs or other sensors by using those pins. The maximum voltage Arduino can give is only 5 volts, and because of that we got different shields and relays which can control more powerful sources like lamps, very powerful motors, or I don't know, a fridge if you want to. The shields are stacked on top of Arduino just like a sandwich. The main part of Arduino is this chip, which is basically a brain, and other parts are there, so it was easier for us to use. There's also a lot of different types of softwares to program the brain of Arduino, but the most famous one is called Arduino IDE. Which is basically C++, which is made for Arduino. There are actually a lot of different types of Arduinos for different purposes. So here are the most coolest Arduinos. Arduino Uno, the most popular Arduino board. This is Arduino Mini, which is used for small projects where you don't need a big powerful board. This is Arduino LilyPad, which is good for making smart clothes. Here are some examples. And here is Arduino Mega, which is good for big projects and cool robots. And lastly, this is Arduino Leonardo, which is very good for making consoles and controllers. Arduino is a great and simple microcontroller which let us and you make cool projects. So that's basically what Arduino is. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to this channel because I need to get to 100 subs to make a play button. And comment down below if you have some questions, and that's basically it. I see you next time.